Alright, so today we're reviewing the Itel P65, which is a new entry-level smartphone with some surprising features for its price. Is it really worth it for the budget-conscious audience? Let's find out. With that being said, let's begin. Starting with the design, the P65 has a unique eye-catchy cyber mecha back panel that looks really futuristic, but it's a bit of a fingerprint magnet. Like, you really need to use it with the case. This phone also comes with a 6.7-inch HD Plus display offering 120Hz refresh rates, although this phone is actually 720p resolution, but their high refresh rate makes it really smooth, and we're not really sure if it works or if it really has 120Hz refresh rates. I mean, it's normally on the 60 to 90Hz refresh rates, except you are probably like browsing on a blog or something like that. But the fact that this phone still comes with that 120Hz refresh rate, I mean, you can really get 120Hz, sometimes, not really often, but it really makes it great for its price point. The Itel P65 is powered by the Unisoc T615 processor paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which can be expandable with micro SD card or SD card to about 1TB of storage. This phone is not a powerhouse, but should handle light tasks like gaming, surfing the internet, doing just basic things. You would get a decent experience with casual apps and light games, although heavier games like Genshin Impact might only run on low graphics. Really smooth. Yeah. On the back of the P65, we do have dual camera setup, although it's just the 50 megapixels main camera sensor that is functional. It really captures decent photos in good lighting scenarios. I'll be giving you a sample at the end of this section of the video. In low light, it also captures great pictures, saying that it has a light here at the front, which is really nice. This phone comes with electronic image stabilization, which is really great for this kind of budget smartphone, but I noticed a little bit of lag while taking some shots, but hey, it happened just once and you might not even notice it. I actually noticed it and that's why I'm talking about it. It's not a deal breaker. P65 packs a 5000 mAh battery, which is solid for all the usage, especially with lighter usage or lighter tasks. It also supports 18 watts fast charging, but you'd expect this phone to fall in around 2 hours or thereabout, which is typical for phones in this particular price range. This phone is actually priced at around 140,000 naira ish, probably more or less depending on when and where you're buying the smartphone from. The Itel P65 has the new normal dynamic island feature, which is really normal for smartphones in this era. One very nice thing I noticed about this smartphone is this flex button that the new iPhone actually has, which is really crazy. Like, the iPhone 16 has an action button, and okay, this is not action button, but the flex button, which is really nice. You can map this button to different functions like opening the camera app, turning on your flashlight, and many more other things. In conclusion, the Itel P65 offers a competitive package with standout features like 120Hz refresh rates, a good 720p display, very okay RAM and storage configurations, the flex button, which is nice. However, if camera quality or high performance is what is your priority, then you should kind of look at another smartphone, I would actually recommend Aldo channel. Thank you very much to him. I actually got this phone courtesy of Aldo. Yeah, that's it. You can subscribe to his channel, like, share, go follow him on all his socials at Aldo. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you when you see me. Peace.